For your experience, man, what were some of those takeaways that you got from meeting your first billionaires?
Most people, including these guys that are wealthy, they're not special, because they're billionaires. They're billionaires because they're special, kind of thing. And one of them was Paul Hutchinson. He's actually had that Sound of Freedom movie. He just was like, money is not good, it's not evil, it just flows through society, and the people that provide value and the people that provide solutions, money goes to them. The people that chase money will get a certain amount of money, but that will be it, and it'll be empty. And very similar, the other billionaire talked a little bit about providing solutions, and how that there's more money than there's abundance. There's more money for everybody in the entire world to have enough money, but not everybody has the right mindset to achieve that money. So just those kind of things, and some tactical things about always be improving and always be trying to start new things, and be a better person, kind of thing, is